initially, right? Just to give you a quick examples, per services, providing information is also one of the professional services item that consultants are providing information. Say for example, you want to set up a office in Singapore and you don't have any idea as to what to do, what are the government formalities you have to do and so many other things. You can approach a consultant. Providing specialist resources. So there are many organizations which are basically providing consultancy in recruitment but only at executive level. Okay? Specialist resources. Establishing business contacts and linkages. Imagine you set up an office in Japan. You are not conversant with the culture that they follow. So you hire a consultant in Japan who is basically providing you a consultancy in how to develop contacts and linkages in Japan. So that is one area. Providing expert opinion. So expert opinion is provided by a consultant for varied functional expertise. Say for example, refer to finance, refer to HR. So finance, what are the areas to generate finance for an upcoming project? HR, what are the areas from where we can recruit good candidates, and so on and so forth. Doing diagnostic work. As diagnosis is one of the phase of formal consultancy process, doing a diagnostic work has a huge opportunity. An information technology company may hire a consultant saying that we are well spread across the globe, but we are not finding the good growth. Why? Because every organization and especially multinational companies are hungry for only two things: growth and profits. Developing action proposals. So there are many actions that management want to take. Say for example, executing a particular strategic plan. Okay, they may appoint an management consultant for developing a action proposal. Improving systems and methods. Simple example, an ISO consultant is hired for what purpose? For setting up or adjusting an organizational management or operating system which will fit the structure of ISO, right? So improving systems and methods, planning and managing organizational changes. Information technology industry itself is very young. If you compare to many other industries, it's still very young and fastest changing because of high growth rates. So there will be a good need for consultants who can provide consultancy in change management, training and developing management and staff. Okay, especially in information technology industry, there is lack of good leaders. Why? Because industry itself is young. So there is huge demand for training and development. Providing personal counseling. You may have heard of mentoring. Okay, almost every information technology organization has something called as a mentoring system. In fact, if you know the designation of Narayan Murthy, right? So it's nothing but providing personal counseling, solving problems of employees by mentoring them. So if this is all is available for management consultants, then what is available for management students? What is the most important thing that you want to get after passing out from here? Don't change your answer.
Be honest.
Don't change your answer. What is the most important thing you want to get after passing out from Amit? Package, right? And good job. So opportunities for management students. First of all, you can get a Venta project in information technology industry because since the industry is very young and very less emphasis is on the research, especially with Indian organizations, there is huge opportunity. You can tell them that I just approached an organization in Pune called the Software Exporters Association of Pune. I told them that I am doing a PhD research on this topic, and they said it's very interesting. Talk to us, give us more information. So I, as a PhD student, also getting opportunity in information technology industry because of research. Summer project. Organization may give you a project to study a particular city for its, say for example, finance and accounting packages. So market for finance and accounting packages in Pune. You may get a bigger project and make it a summer project. You may actually do a research on that in information technology industry, say from motivational point of view. If you are specializing in human resources, if you are specializing in finance, you may end up doing project financing kind of and research, and you can actually come out with a research paper. And the most important thing that you want is a placement, right? A good job, and there is huge opportunity for you to get good jobs in information technology companies, especially because you know what is management, what are functions of management. Now you also know what is management consultancy, right? And many of you might end up doing that management consultancy course also. So this is it what you will get because of this shift in market vision. So the for information technology multinational companies for whom it was only a place to develop software has itself become a client company or consuming company. And the road ahead. The road ahead, there are many opportunities that you can find because of this shift. You can find immense opportunities to get good jobs. You can find immense opportunities for providing training. You can find immense opportunities for doing research. And you can find immense opportunities to get good jobs. And I'm open for questions. Thank you.